SD inspires kids. Subscribe.
Like, camera, action.
Hola, amigos. I'm Lingo, your language learning robot. Ready to learn some awesome Spanish today? Let's go on a Spanish adventure. We are now arriving to our destination. See you there. Wow, what an amazing arrival. Behold this stunning island we've reached. Today's adventure includes exploring 4 fantastic spots and learn Spanish words along the way. Are you ready to dash off to our first stop? Let's go. This is la escuela, the school. Can you say escuela? Muy bien. Let's learn some school words. Libro, book. Can you say libro? Muy bien. Libro is the Spanish word for book. Next word. Lápiz, pencil. Can you say lápiz? Muy bien. Lápiz is the Spanish word for pencil. Next word. Mochila, backpack. Can you say mochila? Muy bien. Mochila is the Spanish word for backpack. Now say them with me. Libro, lápiz, mochila. Buen trabajo, niños. I just said great job, kids. Now off to our next stop. Now we're at la casa, the house. Let's learn some homey words. Puerta, door. Can you say puerta? Muy bien. Puerta is the Spanish word for door. Next word. Mesa, table. Can you say mesa? Muy bien. Mesa is the Spanish word for table. Next word. Silla, chair. Can you say silla? Muy bien. Silla is the Spanish word for chair. Next word. Ventana, window. Can you say ventana? Muy bien. Ventana is the Spanish word for window. Let's say them together. Puerta, mesa, silla, ventana. You're doing awesome. Now off to our next stop. Time for some fun at El Parque, the park. Look around. Árbol, tree. Can you say árbol? Muy bien. Árbol is the Spanish word for tree. Pelota, ball. Can you say pelota? Muy bien. Pelota is the Spanish word for ball. Perro, dog. Can you say perro? Muy bien. Perro is the Spanish word for dog. Let's say them together now. Árbol, pelota,
Perro.
Buen trabajo, niños. Great job, kids. Wait. What's that?
Wow! 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 Wow!
Even the dog speaks Spanish. Wow is the Spanish word for woof. That was hilarious. Now off to our next stop. Hola, amigos. You will be shopping at la tienda. That means store. I've handed over my shopping list to Sarah, the store clerk, and she'll be selecting the items for me. My groceries will soon be on their way to my home. Could you lend Sarah a hand in picking out my groceries? I'll catch up with you later. Enjoy the task.
Hola, ninos. Me llamo Sara. Here's Lingo's grocery list. First on the list is manzana, which is the Spanish word for apple. Next on the list is jugo, which means juice in Spanish. Last item on Lingo's list is juguete, which is the Spanish word for toy. Help me pick out the items on Lingo's list. Let's begin. Manzana, apple, jugo, juice, juguete, toy. Muy buenos amigos. We did it. I can now deliver Lingo's groceries. Gracias, amigos. Hasta pronto. See you soon.
Hola, niños. Join me. I am on my way to a very special music concert that will feature all the Spanish words we went over. Rápido, amigos. We don't want to be late. Let's go.
and perros love to bark, bark, bark. Jugo manzana, you get the yum and fun. Let's learn Spanish, it's so sweet. Libro, lápiz, mochila too. Things we use at school with you. Mesa, silla, ventana, puerta, why? Come on in, let's go inside. Pelota bounces in the park, and perros love to bark, bark, bark. Jugo manzana, you get the yum and fun. Let's learn Spanish, it's so sweet.
Recap!
Let's blast through all the words we learned today.
Escuela. Again. Escuela.
School,
Libro. Again. Libro.
book,
Lápiz. Again. Lápiz.
pencil,
Mochila. Again. Mochila.
backpack,
Casa. Again. Casa.
house,
Puerta. Again. Puerta.
door,
Mesa. Again. Mesa.
table,
Sila. Again. Sila.
chair,
Ventana. Again. Ventana.
window,
Parque. Again. Parque.
park,
Árbol. Again. Árbol.
tree,
Pelota. Again. Pelota.
ball,
Pero. Again. Pero.
dog,
Tienda. Again. Tienda.
store,
Manzana. Again. Manzana.
apple,
Jugo. Again. Jugo.
juice,
Juguete. Again. Juguete.
toy. Increíble! That means incredible! You've learned so many Spanish words today. Give yourself a round of applause. Or as we say in Spanish, un aplauso. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next time for more Spanish fun. Hasta pronto, amigos. That means see you soon.
Thank you for watching